Daddy Monkey Stories. Mousie, Mousie, where is your little wee housie? Here is the door, under the floor, said Mousie Mousie. Mousie, Mousie, may I come in your housie? You can't get in. You have to be sin, said Mousie Mousie. Mousie, Mousie, won't you come out of your housie? I'm sorry to say, I'm busy all day, said Mousie Mousie.
My dear kids, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can watch many more interesting videos. Take care. Bye bye.